Dolavina, we are Ratumeli in Derenalagi, from Nauka village Nandi, maternal links to Nakabu village Nandi, and I'm 25 years old. Given this task to be a captain, it takes more responsibility, and of course you carry the country with your shoulders. So I have a job to do, and by supporters from Taxi Canivere, Mesdonge, Joseph Omasi, Frank Lomani, it really helps me to carry this team and to have the trust from players trusting me to be their captain. So I have work to do to be the captain, so to show the players good things in order for the players to move forward. During pre-season, we have set our goals. We have set our vows as a team to have home quarterfinals. In order for that, we need to be in the top 4. So we can say by the game today that we've been doing a lot, training a lot, and we are trying our best to hit our target and be in the top 4. For me, I've just set a goal for this year is to play every game with this young squad, really enjoy training with them, and to be part of this Drua team. So I won't look as far as 4 years. I'll just try to focus now and try to create history again this third year in the season. For me, being called in the Flying Fijian, that's a bonus, but my focus now is on how I prepare myself and how I play with my teammates for the Drua. So I'll just focus on the first game for Blues, and then I'll go into step by step. I went to our village school, Nauka District School. I can say back in 2005 when I was in class 2. The Fiji Sevens team won the Melrose Cup and came to my village, and my uncle was a part of it. And from there, we were celebrating the winning of the Melrose Cup. From there, I put up a target that one day I'll don a white jersey. So from there, my father used to motivate me in everything I do. Even I don't get enough, but that was it motivated me just to keep pushing on to achieve my goals. Didn't know that I will be part of the Flying Fijians to the World Cup, but I give God the honor and the glory.